Imagine a structure so vast, so grand that it dwarfs everything around it. For centuries, one question has puzzled mankind: how were the pyramids of Egypt really built? The pyramids have been enshrouded in mystery, their construction a topic of hot debate. Tales of supernatural forces and extraterrestrial interventions have been spun, adding to the enigma. Theories have been as diverse as they have been intriguing, making the pyramids a subject of unending curiosity. However, the facts tell a different story. Our journey begins in the 19th century when the first significant evidence surfaced. This was a time when Egyptology was in its infancy, and every discovery was a major breakthrough. A major leap forward came with the discovery of the Diary of Merer, an ancient papyrus document that provided a first-hand account of the pyramid's construction. Merer, an overseer of a team of about 200 workers, kept meticulous records of his team's daily activities. His diary, written in hieroglyphics, revealed that the colossal blocks used to build the pyramids were transported by boat along the Nile River. This was a groundbreaking revelation that dispelled many myths about the construction of these ancient wonders. Around the same time, archaeologists unearthed more fascinating evidence: the remains of workers' villages and tombs. These findings indicated that a vast labor force was not only involved in the pyramid's construction, but also lived and died near the construction site. Contrary to popular belief, these workers weren't slaves but skilled laborers who took pride in their work. They were well fed and housed in purpose-built villages, and their tombs were adorned with inscriptions indicating a level of respect and care from their employers. These discoveries were just the beginning, the first pieces of the puzzle. They provided a tantalizing glimpse into the logistics and human effort behind the construction of the pyramids, setting the stage for more exciting discoveries to come. As more and more pieces fell into place, a clearer picture began to emerge. Our understanding of the past is often revolutionized by advancements in technology. Take carbon dating, for instance. This technique has been instrumental in determining the age of materials used in the construction of the pyramids. By measuring the amount of carbon-14, a radioactive isotope, present in organic materials, scientists have been able to provide an accurate timeline for the construction of these monumental structures. But it's not just about when they were built, it's also about how they were built, and the answers to this question have been found in the sands surrounding the pyramids themselves. Archaeologists have unearthed remnants of massive ramp systems, which would have been used to haul the colossal stone blocks into place. These ramps, some of which were over a mile long, were designed with a gentle incline to enable the movement of the blocks. In addition to the ramps, the discovery of sleds has provided further insight into the construction process. These sleds, which were likely pulled by teams of workers, were used to transport the stone blocks along the ramps. The ancient Egyptians, it seems, had a sophisticated understanding of physics and engineering. They knew that wetting the sand in front of the sleds would reduce friction, making it easier to move the heavy loads. These discoveries have helped to debunk many of the myths surrounding the construction of the pyramids. No, they weren't built by aliens. And no, they weren't built by slaves either. Instead, they were built by a society that was far more technologically advanced than many give it credit for. A society that understood the principles of physics and engineering, and that used these principles to create some of the most iconic structures in human history. Each piece of evidence debunked the myths, revealing a far more plausible explanation. So, what does all this evidence tell us about how the pyramids were built? The clues gathered over the years paint a vivid picture. They suggest that a massive labor force, possibly in the tens of thousands, came together to undertake this colossal project. It wasn't just about sheer manpower, though. Sophisticated engineering techniques were employed, demonstrating the advanced knowledge of the builders. They leveraged local materials, primarily limestone, in the construction, making the pyramids a true product of their environment. This wasn't the work of extraterrestrials or supernatural forces, as some like to speculate. Rather, it was an extraordinary feat of human ingenuity and perseverance. The construction of the pyramids serves as a testament to the capabilities of the human race when it unites towards a common goal. The true mystery may not be how they were built, but how a civilization so ancient could achieve such a feat. The pyramids, as it turns out, are a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of the human race. The true mystery may not be how they were built, but how a civilization so ancient could achieve such a feat.